Here's some advice for those of you who are in a relationship and you're noticing that you're self-sabotaging the new relationship because of a trauma from the last relationship. So let's say that the last relationship you were in, your partner cheated on you, and you were pretty traumatized by that. You were really hurt, devastated by it, and then you broke up, and then you find yourself in a new relationship. And in this new relationship, it seems to be going really, really well. And the person seems really honest, and you're getting attached to them, you're getting some feelings, and you're really into it, and you're starting to get some attachment, feel close, and you trust what they're doing and saying. You're spending a lot of time with them. And then something kind of triggers in you that you get scared, pretty much, and you're uncertain, like when they leave. If they leave like your apartment or house or wherever you are, now you start wondering, you start getting attached to your phone, and you're always wondering when they're going to text you, or you start blowing up their phone and you start texting them constantly, nonstop, just to check on what they're doing, because you're still traumatized from the past relationship where you didn't expect it to happen. You weren't there, obviously, when your partner cheated on you, so there was nothing you could do about it except deal with the pain. So this is kind of projecting your past trauma onto the new relationship. And it's going to cause fights. And I'm sure you already have those fights. If you're listening to this video and watching it, you're already experiencing fights with your new partner. And that is classic self-sabotage. If you do not explain what you're going through, or what you went through with your past partner, with your new partner. So for example, you would say, so my last partner cheated on me, and this is what happened, this is what I know about it, and anytime I get very jealous when you talk about another female or male, and then when I get jealous, it triggers this like hypervigilance about me, and then when I get hypervigilant, I start to get a little crazy towards what's going on, and that's how it comes off, and that's how I don't want to be. I don't want to come off as crazy, but I don't know how else to explain that I'm feeling out of control, and my emotions are starting to take over and flood me and overwhelm me, and I want to look like I have it all put together for you, so I don't say anything about this, and so you have no idea. So you see some emotional response from me, and you're trying to figure out what the hell is going on with him or her. Why are they so emotional? Like nothing even happened. It's because that person is. It's because you're triggered big time, and you haven't said anything. So you have to write it out. I would write out exactly in a non-emotional state, like what the trauma was from the past, and what you're also. So here's the other part too. It's not trauma dumping. This is, you are trying to make this new relationship a healthy one by saying, this is what has happened to me. This is how it impacted me. This is how it made me not trust and made me jealous and all sorts of things like that. And I want to, in my last relationship, I didn't have really good open communication, and I didn't express my feelings, they didn't express their feelings, things like that. I want this to be different. So I want you to be open with me, and I want to be open with you. And so that's why it's not trauma dumping. It is being productive with what you can do with this information going forward. And so you come up together with this plan, with these solutions. Maybe there's a solution now going forward, how you guys can handle a situation like this where you start to get triggered, and then we're fighting. Okay, we'll pause. So next time the solution will be, all right, what are we really fighting about? Are we fighting about something between us, or are we fighting because you had some sort of like trauma response from your relationship? Let's take some time. Let's pause. Let's sit with it and figure it out. All right, I'm sure there's a ton more to that, but that's really what I got off the top of my head. Hope that helps with your trauma stuff. All right, thanks.